Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a crypto hardware wallet. First, power on the device and set a PIN. Next, write your recovery seed on the card and store it offline. Install the official companion app and update firmware if prompted. Connect the device to the app, create a new wallet, and confirm addresses on the device screen before sending any funds to ensure safety and accuracy. Open the companion app and add accounts for each cryptocurrency you plan to hold. Use clear labels so you do not confuse wallets during transactions. Always verify the receive address on the hardware screen, not just on your computer, to avoid malware tricks. Consider using multiple accounts to separate savings from trading funds. Regularly review account settings and firmware release notes to maintain compatibility and protect against new threats. Prepare a transaction in the app and then check every detail shown on the hardware device before approving. Confirm recipient address, amount, and network fee on the device screen to prevent tampering. Use adjustable fees to balance cost and confirmation speed, and consider a small test transfer for new recipients or services. Keep records of transaction ID and dates for reconciliation and future reference in case of disputes or errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.